Hello everyone, welcome back to Vector Labz FZE LLC. In this tutorial, we are going to develop a simple calendar app from scratch, in which we will learn how to create the calendar app and customize it properly. So let's start our tutorial. Open Windows PowerShell and create calendar app folder. Open it in Android Studio. Go to Android and select project. Go to calendar app. Go to pubspec.yml and add table calendar. Press Ctrl S to save. Go to library and main dot and click get dependencies. Switch on the emulator. So a simple Flutter app is open, and open the app. Remove title and theme. Remove extra classes. Rename home to home page and remove its title. Create a stateful widget. Name it home page. Go to material app and remove debug banner. Replace placeholder with scaffold and add app bar. Select its color, blue, and in app bar add a title, text, calendar. Now customize its text style. In text style, select its color, font size and font weight. Also select its font style to italic. Now move it to the center of app bar. Set center title true and save. Now add body, name it content. Add widget content. In this widget, first add a return column, then add children. First of all, text. Say it hello. Then add a size box. Set its size to 20. Then add a container, and in container add a child table calendar. Set the last day 2050, 12 and 31st, and first day to 2000, first month and first date. For focus day, add a variable date time today equal to date time now, and replace focus day to today. So our calendar app is ready. Now we will customize it properly. Go to table calendar, add selected day predicate and set it to is same day, day and today. Then add a locale, select its language to English, US. Now remove the format button, 2 weeks. Add header style, and set format button visible to false. Save the file and format button is invisible. Now move the December 2023 to center of header. Set title center true and it move to the center of header. Set the row height to 50. Then add calendar format month. You can change the calendar format to 2 weeks, week values, or month you feel better. Then add available gestures, select it all. Now add on day selected and add a function on day selected. Select daytime, day, and focus day. Then set state and add today equal to day. Now you can select random dates of any month or a year. Now customize the hello title. First, wrap column with container and select its color. Now wrap the text with widget and rename it elevated button. Now wrap elevated button with a widget and set align. Set its alignment to center. Now add required on pressed and set it empty. So our elevated button is ready. Now add size box of proper height to move it close to the center of screen. Replace hello with randomly selected date. Save. We can select any date and the text will be replaced by the selected date. Then in container add decoration and select its color white. Now customize its borders. Add border radius circular and set it to 30. Save and our container is circular. First customize the text, select its style, text style and change its color, font size and font weight. Now in header style, add a decoration, box decoration and select its color, red, shade 900. Save it and see the result. Now add a title text style, select its color white and also change the font size. And our header text is also ready. Set the starting day of week Monday and Monday move to the start of calendar. Then set weekend days. I have selected only Sunday. You can add other days also. Then select the weekdays height and change the style of days. First change the text style of weekday. Select their color, font size and font weight. So our days names are bold and black colored. Now customize weekend day style. Now our days names are ready and customize the styles of dates. Go to calendar style and add default text style. Customize its color and font size. And our regular days have gained the size of 18. Then customize weekend. Set its color and font size to 18. Now our whole calendar is ready. Add constants. Now you can use your own created calendar app easily. You can move to any month or any year. You can select the dates randomly, and the date which you select will be written in the elevated button. You can also change the header color, header text, days names, color of dates, size, weights, and all the other things easily. Hope so you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, show your reaction in the comment section, and if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. You can use the code uploaded on GitHub, link given in the description. And if you want to develop your apps by us, you can contact us on LinkedIn, Vector Labz FZE LLC. And also like and subscribe our channel to get more videos immediately. See you in the next video. Bye bye.